Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to today's tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make sure that your zipper aligns on the waistline. As you can see in the video, the two sides, they are equal. One is not up and the other one is down. They are equal. I'm going to show you a simple trick you can follow to make sure that your zipper aligns very well, that they are equal on the waistline. If you want to learn this, stick back and watch as I give you the simple trick to follow when fixing your zipper to make sure that they align on the waistline. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. Let's get straight to the video. To begin, you get your zipper and I will go ahead and fix one side first. I'll go ahead and fix one side, stitch it down to the end. I'll go ahead and fix it, stitch it down, and after fixing the one part, the one side, then I will go ahead and fix the second part, and this is where the trick comes in. First, I will align the two sides. I will align the two sides, align it on the waistline to make sure that they are equal on the waist side. And I will go ahead and stitch on the waist side, only on the waist. I will stitch it down. Then I will go ahead and make sure, break it out and make sure that it aligns before I stitch down the remaining parts. As you can see in this video, I stitched it down, but when I brought it out, it didn't align. So I have to use it again to stitch it the second time to make sure it aligns on the waistline before stitching the remaining parts. You just stitch only on the waistline to make sure it aligns before I go ahead to stitch the remaining parts of the zipper. It's aligning now, so I will go ahead and fix the remaining parts, stitch it down. And this is a simple trick you can use to make sure that your zipper aligns on the waistline, and this is perfect for beginners. This is perfect for beginners if you want your zipper to align very well on the waistline. This is the method I recommend that you use to have your perfect dress. Use this method for it, and that solves the issue of having one side at the up and the other side down. With this method, you are sure that your zipper they are equal on the waistline. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Subscribe and put on your notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video, and also like my video so that it can get to many people to watch this video. As you can see in this video, you can see that the zip is aligning on the waistline, and that is the trick. Thank you very much for joining me on this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and drop your question in the comments section. See you next time. Bye bye.